Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Yeni Rima Liana. I am graduate student of Physics Education Program, Universitas Negeri Semarang. In this occasion, we are going to discuss about the development of physics learning media based on Internet of Things with problem-solving approach, its effect on learning outcome. I would like to tell you the background of my research. They are in era globalization, the Internet of Technology is developed very rapidly over the world. Internet of Things is a data transfer technology via the Internet that connects various objects that can be accessed anytime and anywhere. The opportunity of Internet of Things as a learning media is one of technology currently being considered by teachers. There are some previous literature review, Muhammad et al., 2000 and HT. The use of Internet of Things and virtual reality increase understanding and provides a level of reality. Morris et al., 2017. Use of iot in Newton law experiment learning activity has advantages including automatic measurement result by mobile phone. My research aim is develop to physics learning media based on Internet of Things through problem-solving approach to improve learning outcome on heat material. The study uses research and development with the 4D model that consists 4 stages. There are stages of defining, stages of design, stages of development, and dissemination. In the stage of the science, the stage consists 3 aspects: curriculum analysis, requirement analysis, and student analysis. In the stage of design, the initial design was made in the form of three-dimensional drawing using the SketchUp application, the final prototype of basic learning media based on iot. In the stage of development, this media used an Arduino Nano based on the Atmega 32H microcontroller as a publisher, ThinkSpeak as a server, and SmartPod as a subscriber. Students can collect, store, analyze in real time. So, iot cloud technology, experimental data can access in the form of sensor data logging using a smartphone. Its means of studying heat and its application. The design of the study is pre-test, post-test control design, as can be seen in the table. Pre-test T1, treatment X, post-test T2. The data technique that used in this research were non-test and test. The data collection instruments include observational sheets, validational questionnaire for media expert and material expert, teacher responses questionnaire, student questionnaire responses, and written tests of temperature and heat material. Media feasibility data analysis technique using assessment in the range of score from 1 to 4. After that, the criteria convert into categories by using the 5-scale grading criteria technique. Media effectiveness data analysis technique. The average N-GAN score. N-GAN equal as post-test minus as pre-test per as maximum minus as pre-test times 100%. With category, if gain more than 70, the high category. If gain greater than equal to 30, and smaller is equal to 5T, the medium category. And if gain less than 30, the low category. So we look at the result and discussion. Here are results and discussion of my research. The product developed using Atmega 32H microcontroller as a publisher, ThinkSpeak as a server, and smartphone as a subscriber. Experimental data in the form of temperature parameter, electric current, and electric voltage can be read digitally, and data logging sensor can be accessed using smartphone. Result of analysis of feasibility assessment of IoT-based learning media according to media expert. Average of all aspects is 3.HG. In this category is very good. The result of normality test based on Kolmogorov-Smirnov statistic on the sample used for each variable greater than 0.05, which means that the sample used in the study came from population that were normally distributed. The result homogeneity test based on Leibniz statistic for each variable is significant 0.66. That means greater than 0.05. That the sample used in the study came from population and that had same or homogeneous variance. The result shown in increased student learning outcome with an average and gain value of 0.78 included in the high category. And the effective contribution of the use of basic learning media based on IoT to improve learning outcome on heat material to 83.5% can be seen from the result of the multivariate test analysis on GLM based on partial eta square. Conclusion. According to the analysis of result and discussion, several conclusions can be drawn. This research produces an IoT-based basic learning media that is suitable and effective to be used as a basic learning medium to improve student learning outcome on heat material with the following characteristics. Experimental data in the form of parameters of high temperature, low temperature, electric current, and electric voltage can be read digitally via LCD display. And the graph of the experimental data logging result can be accessed online using a smartphone via the thingspeak.com application. Thanks you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.